Yes, my name is Shirley Clark. I got a power bill, which was only $75, which was way better than the $300 I was paying previously. Maybe spring and summer we can bank sun and solar, and then in the winter, when there isn't so much sun, use the credits created there. I've always considered myself an environmentalist, a tree hugger, if you will. My power bill was starting to really annoy me because I was planning on retiring. Something was on my phone about solar panels, and I looked into the possibility. We finally got the panels on the roof. They're working. We've had our power company up for sale at one point in time. Quebec was trying to buy us, and then power rates were going through the roof. So it felt like I was not able to control the power except for turning out lights, which I was taught as a child. If you're not in a room, shut the light out. Anyway, I needed something sustainable so that when I do retire, I have a budget that I can live with. So that's what influenced me for the most part, just saving money. I want to get in the future a solar generator and possibly even a solar heat pump. So the panel is something that I can add to without having to overload it. The last bill I got before signing the solar contract, which was incidentally when the solar eclipse happened, April 8th, 2024, and it was $300 back then. So looks like we have significant savings. $75 power bill, if it stays under $100, I can afford to pay it every month. I don't have air conditioning or anything else, but those are all things that I may want to get down the road. And if I have solar power, it might help me afford to do that. Customer service experience has been pretty good. There haven't really been any other issues. Be prepared to wait for people and weather and other things that get in the way. Everybody's friendly, polite, businesslike, and they try to do their best. But it's, one person has one job, one person has another job. It's a team effort. It's a real big team effort. So thank you, team, because we finally got it done.